Hello everyone, I wish to give you a introduction on vector analysis. Today we are dealing with components of a vector. To describe motion in two dimensions, we need a coordinate system with two perpendicular axes x and y. In such a coordinate system, any vector A can be uniquely decomposed into a sum of two perpendicular vectors
ax and ay.
as you can see from the picture. A is equal to ax plus ay. Vector A is equal to ax plus ay. The magnitude of the vector A is given by modulus. We will name it as modulus A is equal to ax square plus ay square whole raised to half. The direction of A is such that it makes an angle theta, and theta is equal to tan inverse ay by ax. This also you can get it from the picture. Since the component of a vector defined in it, we can specify a vector entirely by its components. So we can write a vector A is equal to ax ay. Generally, in three dimensions, vector A is equal to ax, ay, az. However, the component of a vector A depends on the coordinate system that we used. To prove this, we consider the two cases as in the figure. You can see the vector A is into two different coordinate systems. One is in xy coordinate and another one is x dash y dash coordinate. In the first case, we can represent A is equal to a comma 0 in the xy system, and in the second case the vector A is equal to 0 comma minus a. The x component is 0 here and the y component is minus a here. Since A is parallel to y dash in the second case. If we are not considering these cases, we shall restrict ourselves to a single coordinate system. അതായത് സാധാരണ രീതിയിൽ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളൊരു സിംഗിൾ കോർഡിനേറ്റ് സിസ്റ്റം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് പോലെയാണ് നമ്മളൊരു വെക്റ്ററിനെ റെപ്രസെൻ്റ് ചെയ്യാറ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാറുള്ളത്. ഒറ്റ ഒരു കോർഡിനേറ്റ് സിസ്റ്റം മാത്രമുള്ളത് പോലെയാണ് നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാറ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മൾ പറയുകയാണ് ഇഫ് എ ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ബി, then ax is equal to bx, ay is equal to by, and az is equal to bz. The component will also equal. The single equation a is equal to b symbolically represent three scalar equations, that is ax is equal to bx, ay is equal to by, and az is equal to bz. All vector operations can be written as equations for components. അതുപോലെ വെക്റ്ററിൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഏതൊരു ഓപ്പറേഷനെയും നമുക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ സ്കെയിലർ കമ്പോണൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ബൈ എ സ്കെയിലർ c is a scalar here. C into the vector A is equal to c ax c ay. Here we are considering two-dimensional case, so that the components of A is ax and ay. So when we multiply a scalar c with the vector A, we have to multiply the scalar with each component, that is c into ax and c into ay. And for the law of vector addition, that is when A plus B, two vectors we are taking the sum of two vectors, then we have to do like this: ax plus bx comma ay plus by. This is in the two-dimensional case. Likewise, the scalar product of two vectors can be written as a dot b is equal to ax bx plus ay by. This is in the two-dimensional case. This is a brief description on components of a vector. Let's stop this session here, and we have to do some problems related to this topic. I will post the problems as assignments in your Google Classroom. I'm stopping here. Thank you.